Hi, I'm Brittany with WTA, and if your man loves cozy, chunky sweaters, then look no further. This men's pullover sweater by KAVIANA is so cozy and looks so good. I love the ribbing on the end of the sleeve and the sweater, which makes it so nice and snug and keeps all that warmth in. I love the color. It is such a bright, fun brown color that goes with so much, and it's so versatile. I just love how it looks, of course, by itself, but you can put a suit jacket over it. Even though it's got the chunky knit to it, it's not too bulky that you can't put a jacket on. I think this fits him so well. My husband is 5'11". He has long arms, and I just love how well this fits him. You can open the buttons up, and it's got a perfect opening to easily slip it on. And then if you want that extra warmth around your neck on a really cold morning, you can button up, put the collar up. My husband liked that look the best. Not only does it look so nice, but it is just so cozy. And for a really cold morning, you can easily slip on a wool coat. It is just so beautiful, and I just loved the way it looked. It was exactly what we were looking for. This sweater was versatile, warm, and so stylish. We love it, but that's just our point of view.